Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In this sub-series we are going to look at NumericUpDown control as well as LinkLabel control. In the left hand side you are seeing an example screenshot. NumericUpDown control is a combination of text box as well as up and down arrow keys. So you can visualize it here, and if you see, the text portion holds the value, and with the up and down arrow keys you can increment or decrement this value. So the control is the combination of text box as well as up and down arrows. The up arrow increments the value, whereas the down arrow decrements the value. The linked value can be seen through this text box. At present you are seeing the linked value as 50 here in this example screenshot. You can get the associated linked value using the value property. Minimum and maximum property sets the range. So for example, when you click here it will increment the value, and when you click here this will decrement the value. So what is the minimum value and maximum value which can be set through these up and down arrows, that is set by the minimum and maximum properties. There is one more property called increment that performs the steps. Say for example, if we set increment as 5, then if I click once here the value will get increased from 50 to 55. Similarly, when we click the down arrow, the value steps through 50 to 45, then 45 to 40, like that. This control raises an value changed event. That means whenever user clicks the arrow button, the value changes, and it will also raises the value changed event. LinkLabel control. So it's a label with a underlined text. So you can imagine how a hyperlink work the same way the LinkLabel control work. So beside is the example for two LinkLabel control. This is one LinkLabel control. Here if you see, the link is marked fully. So this is also a LinkLabel control. I mean the entire text. Click here to see other controls. So the entire text is part of the LinkLabel control. But here the portion of the text, that means here, that one is marked as a link. In the previous example, if you see, the entire text is marked as a link. Here part of the text is marked as a link. So the link color sets the color for the link, and if you see, this is completely a link. It's in different color, and this one is also in different color. So this color you can set using the link color property of the LinkLabel control. The text property sets text for the LinkLabel control. So here if you see, click on me to say hello, that's the text property, and in the second example click here to see other controls, that's set through the text property. So this means the text property sets the visible portion of the text. That means the text is visible to the user. Next, there is one more property called link visited. So the LinkLabel control distinguishes the color, link color with the link visited color. Suppose if we set link visited as yellow, and once you click the here Link visited color denotes the visited link color. This way you can distinguish the visited link with the non-visited link. Suppose if we set yellow, and when you click the here will change to yellow because it is visited, and this one will stay as a non-visited link color. That means the normal link color. In the second example, if you see the portion of the controls text, that means the link labels control text, is marked as a link. So we can call this as a link part, and we can mark this using the link area. So we can specify the character position, then the length, position start and length. Using that, you can specify the link area. LinkLabel Control raises an event called link clicked. That means when you move your cursor towards the link and click it, so the C# will raise a link clicked event. So inside the handler, you can take the action. That's all here in this theory part. Thank you for watching. Bye.